Welcome to Mathematics for Grade 2. Today is day 30 and we are going to be exploring more about minutes. Activity 1. Let's look carefully at this picture. In this picture we have a clock. A clock tells us the time. This hand is the long hand. The long hand on the clock tells us minutes. If we look a little more closely at this picture, we see that the long hand is pointing at the 2. Can you remember from yesterday's lesson, if the long hand is pointing at the 2, what number lines up with the 2? If you said 10, good job. This tells us that it is 10 minutes past. Activity 2. Let's look at these clocks to see what the minute hand is telling us. In the first picture, the minute hand is pointing to the number 3. How would we work out how many minutes past it is? Let's count the little lines in between the 12 and the 3. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 little lines in between. It is 15 minutes past. Let's have a look at the second one. This time around, let's try to count in 5s. We know that when the minute hand moves from 12 to 1, that is 5 minutes. And when it moves from 1 to 2, that's another 5 minutes, which is 10 minutes. And when it moves from 2 to 3, that's another 5 minutes, which is 15 minutes. Now let's use this information to count to 10. We'll start at the 1. Remember to count in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Where is the minute hand pointing to this time? The minute hand is pointing to the 5. Let's count in 5s from the 1 to the 5. Try it on your own first. Now let's do this together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It is 25 minutes past. Now try this one on your own. We'll check the answer shortly. The previous answer was 5 minutes. Now try this one on your own. This is the last one. Remember, try counting in 5s. Let's check this one together. Let's count in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 35 minutes.